In this video, I'm going to show you how to use GlobalShiksha animated video mobile subscription in your Android device. So when you purchase the study material either on globalshiksha.com or from the education counselors, you receive this mail in which we have explained the whole process in a few simple steps. Let me show you how to proceed. So as you can see in step number 1 that we have to install the app called EduChat. So there is a link given just above this icon. When we click on it, it will take us straight to the app in the Play Store. Then we have to click install, accept, and wait for it to install on the phone. Once it is installed on your Android device, you click open and you will enter the app. Now you have to use your registered mobile number to log in, and then you have to enter the OTP. That is the one-time password that you had received on your registered number. So we enter the number and then enter the OTP. Once you enter the OTP, the app asks you to enter your role. In order to access the videos, you have to select student. You have to enter your name. Let me enter a dummy name here. Okay. Then we have to select a grade. When we select a grade, we click continue. This takes us to the home of this application. Under my account, we have this course title. This will give you the access to all the videos that you have purchased in the mobile subscription. So I click courses. Here are the classes that I bought the subscription for. Class 2, class 3, then we select the subject, say class 3 maths, and finally we'll see whatever topic we want to study. If we want to study measurement, we'll click on it and hence the animated videos. Even if you don't have internet access all the time, you don't need to worry because all these videos you can save to study later offline. You can see the option to download just below the video. This will help you save these videos offline and you can study anytime and anywhere. In order to access these saved videos, you go to the app home and under my account select saved videos. Here you will find all the videos that you would have saved and you can select the class and hence the saved videos. So all the best for your education and have fun learning.